Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In today's video, we are going to learn about union and union all in SQL. This is commonly asked in interviews and is used in real world SQL problems as well. I will explain you the theory in very simple way, then we will do a complete practical demo with tables and datas. So before jumping into the practical, let's see what is union. Union is used to combine the result of two or more select queries, but the most important point, like what makes the difference between union and union all, is union removes duplicate rows from the final result, or I would say in the final output. It also sort the result internally to eliminate duplicates, and because of this, union is slightly slower because what they do, they check what is duplicate, what is unique, they join it, and then not join, they attach the both tables and show in the output. And one more main important thing which most of you ignore is like in union and union all, both requires the same number of column in both the table. I repeat, same number of columns in both the table. If table 1 have two column, table 2 should also have two column, right? Example I am saying, if a table one, like table 1 is having three columns or four columns and table 2 have around two column or one column, union and union all both will not work. In this case, make sure there are same number of columns in both the table. Rows doesn't matter, column should match, number of columns should match in both the table where you are doing union and union all, not only two tables, three table, four table, how many tables you can do, you can use it, no worries for that. So what is the main difference? Like here you have learned, like in union it removes the duplicate, in union all it does not remove the duplicate. So as we have touched about the topic union all, let's learn about the theory part. Union all combines the result of multiple select queries, but unlike union, union all does not remove duplicates, it simply appends all rows from both the queries. Since there is no sorting, no duplicate removal kind of things in the output, union all is faster compared to union. So if recruiter asks you what is the main difference between union and union all, directly say the main difference is one, that is union removes the duplicate, union all does not remove the duplicate. And how to remember it? Union all is there, right? Simple, remember one thing, all means all the rows, simple. In this way it is very easiest way to remember, no need to get confused in this. Union all means all the rows, khatam, their topic close, no confusion. Union means only the unique values, I mean to say all the duplicates are removed and only unique values are there in union. Union all the rows, simple as that. And second most important thing is both the table should, or the number of table you are doing union, those tables should have same number of columns, right? Same number of columns, that is the main and most important thing for union and union all. Okay, so we have learned about the what we say theory part. Now let's move to the practical part. And as you have seen, we will do practical in this two tables, that is student 1 and student 2. Let's see how many columns student 1 have, how many columns student 2 have. So student 1 have ID and name. Okay. Student 2 have, okay, ID and name, same thing. Okay, I found one thing is like in student 1, ID 2, Priya is there, and student 2 table Priya is also there. So what I have told, in union it removes duplicate and keeps the unique one. So let's see how it does. Okay, and what is the syntax to write this? Simple, right? Select everything from student 1, this is the first table, just write union, then select everything, oops sorry, from students, oh sorry, 2, that's it, simple as that. And when you execute it, see what you got, ID 1, 2 and 3. I don't know why it is not showing in proper alphabetical way or in proper numeric way, I don't know that, But see here one thing, Priya is shown in the output only once. Even though student ID 1 have Priya, student ID 2 also have Priya. And this is what union does. Union removes the duplicate values, only show the unique values. ठीक है? And let's check for union all. And in union all, what I have told, as the name suggests, all means all the rows. Simple. No need to get confused. ठीक है? From students one, same syntax, union all, you will write that thing. Select everything from students two, oh sorry, students two, and when you execute it, see, Priya came twice. Why? Because it does not remove the duplicates. Union all means no duplicate removal in, I mean, from both the table, and that is the reason union all is faster than union, because no additional work to be done. Only what union all will do, take the first table, take the second table, append it, and show you in the output. That's it. Okay, that is the thing. And most important question, real life use cases. So union, when you need the unique values, use union. Example I am saying, like if you want to create a master list of unique customer from both the table, or I would say if you want to create the master list of unique product from all the location of or all the stores, so you can use union. It will show you the unique values in the output table. Union all, when you want all the rows, even duplicates, like you want to combine all the transaction or event data for analysis. And even though, let me tell you, here we are working on two rows, two column. When you will be working with a freelance client, or you will be working in real data, I mean real corporate scenarios, there would be million of rows. Their performance comes into picture. Believe me, here performance does not come into picture, because see, only two rows, two column. What performance? Nothing. Like Excel will do it like anything, like in a very faster way. But when you jump into the real world scenario, their performance comes into picture and plays a major role in finding the output. So that's why recruiter asked this kind of question, like where I can get faster performance. Is it union or is it union all? Directly say union all. If recruiter asks you why union all, directly say union all does not remove any duplicates, does not do anything, just append both the data. It checks if there are two columns. I mean, it checks if there are same number of columns in both the table, it will append and give you the output. That's it. No rocket science, nothing. And how to remember it? All, where all is there, all the rows. So union all the rows. Simple. No duplicate removal. Union, only union. So obviously duplicate will be removed. So that's all about it in the video. And also that's the complete explanation of union and union all, both theory and practical. I hope this made the concept very simple and easy for you to understand. And if you enjoyed the tutorial, please like this video, share this video to someone who is into learning SQL concept on a daily basis, or they're brushing up their knowledge on SQL on a daily basis. And please subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon. Why I'm saying this is on video, because I do live stream each and every day. So when I start my live stream, you can just join into my live stream and ask me doubt personally. I will help you out, right? Personally I will help you out. So that's why I'm saying, just join my live stream, ask your doubts, clear your doubts related to any topic in SQL or Python for data analytics, or any topic or any project you want. Project, I have project in my YouTube channel. Go to the playlist. Projects are there for Power BI, SQL, Python, Excel for data analytics. Each and everything is there. You can go check out that project, take the study material, all the things are there, and use it in your CV, resume, or LinkedIn, I mean online platforms. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet again in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.